Hello viewers, thank you for joining us again. Today's question, we have about six questions here to solve on exponential equation, basic exponential equation for high school students, okay? So, but I don't want the video to stay more than 8 minutes, okay? So, we'll just be fast and see where we can go from 1 to 6 questions. So, let us start with question number 1. Question number 1 says, 2 to the power x is equal to 64. Now, in this point, you want to reduce 64 to the base, to its lowest common base. And remember, 64 can also be written as 2 to the power 6. Yeah, 2 to the power 6 is 64. That is 2 times 2 times 2 up to the 6th time. So that means this guy is going to become 2 to the power x is equal to 2 to the power 6. And at this point, the base can cancel out because they are the same. Now you equate the exponent, so x is equal to 6. This is question number 1. Now question number 2. Question number 2 says, if I have x to the 1/3 power is equal to 3. Now I want to find the value of x in this exponential equation. The idea is to take away 1/3 from here to get the real value of x. Now 1/3, the only thing you can use to take away 1/3 is by multiplying 1/3 by 3. So because of that, I'm going to take the power of 3 of both sides. So I'll take the power of 3 of both sides. So I have 1/3 is equal to 3. So I'll take the power of 3 of both sides, because this 3 is going to take away the 1/3. And of course, sorry, there's 3 here. So of course, we have x is equal to 3 to the power 3, which is just 27. Now question number 3. Question number 3 says, if I have 5 to the power x plus 1 is equal to 625. Now just know that 625 can be written in its lowest common base as 5 to the power 4. So that means this is going to become 5 to the power x plus 1 is equal to 5 to the power 4. Now the idea is to cancel out the base and equate the exponent. So we have x plus 1 is equal to 4. You want to collect like terms, so you have x is equal to 4 minus 1, and therefore x is equal to 3. Now question number 4. Please pardon my board arrangement, please. Question number 4 says 4 to the power x plus 1 is equal to 8 to the power x plus 2. Now you know that these two guys can be written in their lowest common base in powers of 2. So 4 is the same as 2 to the power 2. So I have it to be 2 to the power 2. Remember, all to the power x plus 1. Then I have it to be 2 to the power 3, all to the power x plus 2. Of course, you want to distribute with x into this guy, and 3 into this guy and this guy. So you have 2 into 2x plus 2. What did I do? 2 times x is 2x, and 2 times 1 is 2. Then equal to 2 into 3x plus 6, right? Yeah, so this base is going to cancel out. Then if the base cancel out, so you're left with 2x plus 2 is equal to 3x plus 6. You want to collect like terms, right? So this guy come over to this side, or let's take all the x to the other side. So we take this guy to this side, so you have, and this guy to this side, so you have 2 minus 6 is equal to 3x minus 2x. Let me explain. If I take, this is 2 already in the left hand side, this side is the left hand side. When I take 6 to this other side, it becomes negative 6, then equal to 3x is in the right side. I want it to be in the right hand side. So when I took 2x to this side, it becomes negative 2x, okay? So therefore, 2 minus 6 will give me minus 4, and 3x minus 2x will give me just x. So therefore, x is equal to minus 4. Let me clean this part. Now, question number 5. Question number 5 is 9 to the power 2x plus 1 is equal to 81 to the power x minus 2 all upon 3 to the power x. Wow. Now, the next thing you want to do very quickly, you know these guys can be written in their lowest common base as what I'm going to write right now. So 9 is the same as 3 to the power 2, then all to the power 2x plus 1. This one is the same as 3 to the power 4. Then all to the power x minus 2 upon 3 to the power x. Now you want to distribute with these guys because these are product exponents. So you have here to be 3 to the power 2 times 2x, 4x, 2 times 1 is 2. Then you have this one, will be 4 times s, that's 3 to the power of 4x. Then 4 times minus 2 is minus 8 upon 3 to the power x. Now you can apply the idea of indices right here because they have the same base and they are dividing. So you take one of the base. In this case, you take one of the base, which is just 3, and you subtract the exponent. So you have 4x minus 8, then minus x. I have just resolved this 2 guy as this guy right here. So at this point, you have 3 to the power of 4x plus 2 is equal to 3 to the power. 4x minus s will give me 3x, then of course minus 8. Now the base is going to cancel out, so we equate the exponent. So we have 4x plus 2 is equal to 3x minus 8. You collect like terms, this guy go over to this side, you have 4x minus 3x. You know it is positive, so when it comes over here, it becomes negative. So you have minus 8 right here. So when this guy go over here, it becomes minus 2 because it's positive right here. 4x minus 3x is just 1x, which is the same thing as x. And minus 8 minus 2 is all minus 10. Okay, so viewers, we're going to stop here because of our time. Okay, if you want me to do more of this in our next video, please put it down in the comment section. I will set out time and do more of this for you. Have a nice day and God bless you. Bye bye.